Alright, so these people on the YouTube are making the unboxing videos, these videos of their boxes being unboxed. I don't really understand the point, but I figured it looks fun. These people seem to know what they're doing, so we'll try it, okay? So we got this happening, packed very nicely with the little air cushions, don't you know? Enough of these to, you know, keep you floating on one of those rivers if you should ever be in one of those plane crashes like they made that movie. You know, alright, so we've got some clove oil. Now this was the product of the month. So if you put in 125 PV order before on your LRP, and you put it through before the 15th of the month, you get this clove for free. Isn't that just great? Then we've got the beautiful touch. I'm going to wait to open it, but I hear it's, well, rather beautiful. We got these delightful DoTerra keychains, so you can put your, you know, to-go bottles, the ones you carry with you every day. Some people like to do samples. Some people like to carry with them that which they know they will need. Over here, oh boy, this is the children's Omega. Now, it's got the wild orange essential oil, and from what I hear, it's got, you know, the fishy taste is gone. It says DoTerra IQ Mega takes the fishy taste out of fish oil with the fresh orange flavor of doTERRA Wild Orange CPTG Essential Oil. This great tasting and easy to swallow omega-3 supplement provides a 1000 mg of EPA and DHA per serving to support healthy brain, cardiovascular, immune, and joint function. IQ Mega is formulated to be used daily with the doTERRA A to Z chewable. Made in Canada from domestic and imported ingredients. You know, the adults tell me that they use it, they put it in their smoothie, they like how it tastes. I'll take their word for it. I'm looking forward to trying it. We got some deep blue rub sample packets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got 2 milliliters in here in each little packet. Great, great, great. Or as they say on one of my favorite shows, the episode where he's got the fan club. This is great. This is great. So what do we have here? We have the deep blue rub. The deep blue oil, which is great complement to the deep blue rub. And you see, it's gotten used up a great deal between the Aroma Touch technique and just general muscular pains. It's already been used up, so we're replacing and refilling. Now we've got these doTERRA Breathe Respiratory drops. Now, you know, when I first saw these, I thought, you know, it's just like a cough drop. What do I need this for? But, you know, at one of these things I went to, somebody had it, and I figured, you know, what's going to happen? But, I gotta tell you, they're pretty great. Just like the toothpaste. I never would have thought to get the toothpaste if it didn't come in the kit already. And it turns out it's one of my favorite toothpastes. So ingredients for this. Organic cane sugar, organic brown rice syrup, lemon oil, peppermint oil, cardamom oil, eucalyptus oil, thyme oil, and melissa oil. Now that melissa oil is one of those hard to come by oils. Even though lemon balm is, you know, grows like a weed practically, somehow the oil is, you know, harder to harvest. So peppermint, eucalyptus, lemon, and cardamom are selected essential oils from the Breathe Respiratory blend and are well known for their ability to cool the nasal airways and provide respiratory support. Melissa and thyme were also added for their calming and soothing properties. So yeah, highly recommend try those. I think there should be another one in there somewhere. Oh yes, the other got in the kids vitamin kit. If you buy these two together, you save, I'm trying to remember, $25 maybe? 20? I don't remember. Something significant. Significant enough to get both together, because buying them separately, I mean, gosh, anytime you can bundle things and save money, and I hear they're delicious. Oh my goodness, now we've got, okay, so, you know, I had heard these, you know, kids probiotic were delicious. I did not believe it. So thankfully, I was able to try at the health food store. They sold them as a single one. So I tried it. Someone said it's like a pixie stick. I said, no way, it's going to have a weird taste. It's going to be something like, you know, metallic, like some of those supplements you put in your drinks for vitamin C. It's going to be gross. But I had it, and I kid you not, it is like a candy. It is like a pixie stick, like they said. It is so delicious, but healthy. Yeah, there we go. I got the other breeze. Very happy indeed. And I got these, what do you call it? The little vials that go in here. They come with the vials in here, but, you know, if you want to change out oils, if you want to get your own little small kit, samples, they're great for samples. So there you go for that. Here, oh goody, I wanted to get the information for the Emotional Aromatherapy kit, because, you know, they have it in PDF format, but sometimes it's just nice to have something you can hand people and they can look at. So that's that. Oh yes. I got the stickers. You know, you put them on the top of on the caps of the cap of the oil, so that way when you're looking down on it, let's say you got it in a case, you can tell which one it is. You don't have to be sitting there wondering in mystery. This isn't, you know, those mystery TV show stories. You save that for a soap opera if you want to be that curious. Oh boy, they sent me this little postcard. Oh, a reminder postcard kind of thing. How nice. How nice. Oh, we're going to be a little sticky here, are we? Well, we've got the class in a box. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. I would not have expected it to be so heavy. I mean, I know there's like, what do you call it? Like 10 little oils in here, like those 10 Little Indians song, a story or whatever. But, you know, they're this size. They're the 5 milliliter I heard. I thought it was 10, so why would it be so heavy? It's so heavy. Gosh, it's difficult. It's like a workout here. Okay, we got more of these bubbles. Now, isn't this interesting? These air bubbles are different than these. These are Air Speed by Pregis. These are Sealed Air by, hard to tell. It says how to recycle. .info. Well, I suppose that's neither here nor there. It's just interesting. Maybe they were packed different times, but oh my gosh, am I getting a whiff out of here? That smells so good. It smells so good. It's this. Oh my goodness. It's the wild orange. It smells like gosh darn candy, let me tell you. Oh my gosh. I have smelled the wild orange. I do not understand why this one smells so extra amazing. You know what? Maybe it's because the other times I was smelling wild orange in conjunction with the other things. This one I'm smelling it on its own. It is like the most delicious candy. Oh my gosh. You've got to get a whiff of this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. But that doesn't explain why it's so heavy. My goodness. Okay, so we've got these postcards, it looks like. We've got, oh, a DVD. Fancy. I didn't know that came in it. Oh boy, we got this, is it like a magazine? Oh yes, welcome to DoTerra. Probably good to pass it around or something. I mean, I'm sure they'll explain this in here, but oh yes, hosting interview, business interview, lifestyle interview. Overview. Did I say interview? Well, it's been a long day. Okay. Oh, okay. This must go. Yep, this must go on the essential oil, the small little bottles. Oh, product guide. Oh, look at this. What? Oh, it's got all the things. It's like, oh, why did I? Oh, I'm so glad I got this kit. Then we've got, oh my gosh, this is what's so heavy. It's the magazines. Jeez, oh, Monday. So, bunch of these magazines. Oh, these are the heavy things. My goodness. And then we've got the natural solutions. These are, well, it looks like maybe like a little thing you pass out in the class. Oh gosh, this is great. You know, the $25 that this costs, it not only, you know, that covers the oils, but let me just see, where's my calculator thingy? That, you're getting your money's worth with this thing. Some people go and buy this magazine separately. Just get the kit. It all comes with it. What a great deal. What a great deal. Oh, I hope we put everything back in there properly. Oh, right, we gotta open this beautiful. Okay, are you ready? Because I am ready. Are you ready to join me on this beautiful, captivating blend? First, let me just read you what's in here. Okay, we've got coconut oil, citrus, or, oh yeah, those are the Latin names. I'll just skip that. Distilled lime peel oil, osmanthus. You know, I'm not really quite familiar with this osmanthus. I gotta really investigate that further. The bergamot, fruit oil, frankincense. Okay, you know what? I really love lime. I'm expecting to love osmanthus. I've heard it's so good. I generally love bergamot, and you know, this is just gonna be kind of like an experiment. So far, smells pretty good. Oh my goodness, they were not kidding. Oh yeah, oh my gosh, it reminds me of something from maybe kind of like my childhood. Like, you know those, what do you call it? Like when you go to the beach and you get the sunscreen and you're like, oh, it smells like coconuts and pineapple and raindrops and it's vacation. Well, that's kind of like what this smells like to me. It makes sense with the lime, but man. Oh, yes. And I think this one was only $20. My gosh. This is the kind of thing you get for the holiday season. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I am glad I left that for the end. It's like a dessert. It's like a treat. So there you go. Beautiful. It's just beautiful. Oh, dear. Where did I put the clicker?